That's gonna be a big fire. That's for sure. Holy moly. Oh, there's already some fireworks. We're not even 5 PM. Fire's already started. Oh, what the flip? That came from a... Oh! Think there's gonna be another thing. Yeah. Oh. Any more? That might be all of them from over there. Yeah, I reckon so. Man, kind of a baddie for my back to swear my back hurts if I lean back too much, run, or just walk too much. That's just wonderful for me. My back's just hurting today. Oh! Oh! They did have more. I knew it. Oh! You can tell it's become Bonfire now. Bonfire Night now. We've been hearing these fireworks for the last week, haven't we? That was a tiny one, how pathetic. It made such a noise and that's what we get. Yeah. So pathetic. Get Bella firework. Nah, I'm kidding. Oh, there's more over there. But oh, firework. Boop. Turning around too fast. Ah. Look, that's the third one now. Nice. Whoa, that one was actually a good one at the end. Ooh. Oh, it's still there, just very tiny. They're happening constantly now. This is crazy. Constantly. Bam. They're happening like constantly. Boop. Look at it. Oh, don't you miss everything. I sort of, but I forgot to record. Hope you don't want to see my hand, I'm sure. Oh, bad bag and bending, not a good idea, don't try this. I'm just got a bad bag. Oh. Tonight or 4 nights, my back has to be hurting. Moment of truth, look at that. That's what I do. And they lit this what? And they lit this what? 3 minutes ago? Oh what?
Can't wait to see it. No.
And I think that is still fine to light it as well.
Yeah, it's still not fully lit yet, I don't think.
Oh, you got sure.
Oh, fireworks as well.
should have brought my leaf blower. No. Oh no, and then it would have. Or no, and then I could have gone up to that side and then just sort of.
Sticks for lighting.
Oh! Very dangerous going near fireworks because they can just get out of control. Oh, that was close. That nearly hit someone. That for sure nearly hit someone. That was a big one and nearly got into an accident.
Yeah.
It literally hit right there on a car. It literally got that close to us. That's why I had to move back for because I don't want to get hit. I literally cannot focus on one point because there's so many, guys. This is such the average experience. Especially in my neighbourhood where they have that big field for a bonfire. Yeah. We'll go back up later because it's dinner time now. Probably go back up with Mum later. But man, this is just the average experience, I'm telling you. They've been doing this for like weeks now already. They're just not being recorded in there because, I mean, I don't know. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ew, ew, ew. There's one over there. I cannot get every firework because there's just so many. Look at that wheel. Quite far away and you can still see it. Actually not that far away, only like a minute walk. Oh, 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 oh. I look over there and then they come from behind. Why am I not surprised? Oh, 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 look at that view. Get off the roads. Look at that, look at that. Like quite literally you could see that from our house kitchen window. I'll show you now. Oh, over there. There's a bonfire over there, actually. I think there's a fire, I think. The host guy's fucking up. I don't even know where they're coming from. What the flip? Where are they being set off from? I don't even know. But the host guy's lighting up. But
6 and it was lit and I was was like, oh no, did they get there before?
Nah.
Well, like one side was red, but then I think they were trying to get here.
Look at that, you can literally see it from here. Look at that. Oh yeah, you can see that way better. Do you wanna go there's some over there? You can see the top of the fire now, it's got even bigger.
I know, the flames.
It's literally got even bigger. You can see it coming over the house now. It's got even bigger.
Yeah, I normally see that.
Yeah, that's got even bigger since we were over there, though. Oh, double. Yo, they've got a lot, wow. Yo. Yo. That's good for them, let's go. It's a shame we were gonna go to any fireworks displays this year. I wish we could though, but we've been really busy, so we couldn't really. We were too busy, honestly, quite frankly, to be able to go to any displays. Ba-bam. Yeah, look at that. It's got actually even higher since we were over there. We might go over there and see it again later because I mean that's got some higher. Nice. Let's see if anything else happens. I don't think it will. Or maybe in a little bit, but not like right a second. Actually, something did, but we can't see it. Oh yeah, you can see a little one over there. Oh, there. Oh, double, yo. I saw one coming up, but I didn't see the other one. That might mean there's some more coming soon. So let's look out. Because they keep missing fireworks, and I don't like that. I would like you guys to be on this action with me, not missing out. I hear fireworks. Ouch, my back though. What's up with my back? Yeah, behind that tree. Yeah, well, I cannot see them. Yeah, thanks for that. I was up. Oh, flip. I don't want to be leaning over because of my back. Oh my god. I better not drop there. Because that phone's probably breaking if I drop there. I'm telling you, the phone's breaking if I drop there. I might barely see some of these especially if they're small, but unless you're man, the quality's worse, but you get to see them more. The quality's not that bad. The quality's still pretty good considering as a. I heard one. Where'd that go come? I heard one. It didn't make much of a firework. How pathetic. Right there. Oh my. Oh, I really wanted to see that one. Where did that one even come from? There was a. Oh, over there.
Wait, it was literally a case of, had we left her house like 10 seconds early, we would have been hit by a firework.
brightness or zoom. Zooming out on me side. It's fun. It's not gonna survive me 13 hours from Saturday. I'm not even aiming it. Look at that, the fire's getting higher and higher. Firework out. Oh, and there's a train. It really don't live that far away from a rail line. So yeah.
Cool actually, wouldn't it? Travelling on a train when there's fireworks going off in the distance. Even better being on the plane though. Imagine being on a plane in the UK on the 5th of November. Or being on a plane in America on the 4th of July.
Oh wow, yeah, wow.
Or anywhere in the world on New Year's Eve. I mean, it would be like, yeah.
Oh, flip. Oh, great. I just got myself wet from something.
Right, well, food is done and tables are like basically there.
Okay. It's not as exciting this is, it's just actually the average experience. And the fire is nowhere near as high as it normally is, so... Yeah, wow. Oh. Times are going out of hand. Oh boy. Hey, I see that. I'm trying to make sure I don't miss any. Because I like you guys to look at them with me. Enjoy the fireworks with me. I can't really enjoy it because I've seen the largest community rolls. It's just like devastating. Why am I doing this? Oh, I need to the content here. Ooh. Oh sweet, I think I just saw a love heart shaped firework. Don't know, I could have been imagining it, but I think I saw a love heart shaped firework. Oh, what's that one over there? I can move that just so the end of it. This is my luck though. To stay recorded, I think, to actually catch them all. See? I mean, it happens so often. Or this is actually like not an average experience, this is less than an average Bonfire Night experience, I don't know. People aren't going crazy this year. I mean, the bonfire is just nowhere near as high as it normally is. And yeah. No clue. Oh, my neck. Not my neck, my back.